Hello, sixth graders. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use GarageBand to record your beginnings to your memoir podcasts. So let's get started right away. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to open GarageBand. What you'll do is you'll click on the magnifying glass up here in the upper right hand corner, and if you just type the word garage, the first thing that comes up should be GarageBand, the application. Then you can just hit return and GarageBand will open it up. It's a big program, so it takes a little bit of time. Okay, when it opens, you're going to click over here on New Project, and it's going to give you all these options for instruments. Yes, we are recording a podcast, but in fact what's easiest is for us to use the voice feature. So you're going to click on voice and then do choose down here. Okay, and it's going to ask you to save your project. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to title it with your first name, memoir podcast after it. So in my case, I would do Mr. Picard memoir podcast. Yes, because Mr. Picard is my first name. But you're going to use your first name, memoir podcast. And then you do create. And then you should see a window that looks pretty much like this. The version of GarageBand on your computer might be a little bit different, but that's okay. The features are pretty much the same. Okay, GarageBand works by having different tracks. This is a track and this is a track. Pretty much a track is a space for you to put something you've recorded. Now for the voice for right now, all we need is one track. So you're just going to choose, if you're a boy, you're going to choose the male track to keep, and if you're a girl, you're going to choose the female track to keep. So I'm a boy, so I'm going to click on the female track because I don't want it anymore. And I'm going to hold down the command key, hold down command, and hit delete. And now I only have the male track left. Now if you're a girl, you're going to do the opposite. You click on male, hold down command, and hit delete. Okay, so you're only left with the female track. So here I go with the male track. Now recording your voice in GarageBand is very easy. What you do is you simply come down here and click this red button. Yours might be over here and round. It's the same thing, it's the record button. So when you're ready, you've got your introduction right out in front of you, or your memoir, and you're ready to read, and you just hit record and it will start recording. So test, test, test. This is a test recording of my memoir. And then to stop it, you just hit stop. Okay, now to listen to it, what you do is you click up here on this white arrow and you drag it back to the beginning. And then you hit play. So here we go. And it will start recording. So test, test, test. This is a test recording of my memoir. And then to stop it, you just hit stop. Okay, stop. Now notice how if I don't hit stop, this little thing keeps going and going and going, and it will just keep going and going and going. What you need to do is hit stop, and then you can drag back here, and you can drag your arrow back to the beginning. Okay. Now say you make some really big mistakes, and you want to just start all over. You just click on the track here, and you hit the delete button, and it's gone. Okay, well, what if I accidentally deleted something I didn't want to delete? Well, you can always undo anything you do by going up to Edit and doing Undo. Okay, or the quick way to do it is just Command Z. Now, I guarantee you, GarageBand has a lot of working pieces. At some point, you'll do something that you didn't mean to do. So Command Z is going to be your best friend. Right? So, oops, I deleted that and I didn't mean to. Command Z, and it's back. All right, so your goal for today is simply just to record your introduction to your memoir, get a nice clean recording, and then we'll take it to the next step from there. All right. Now when you finish, one more thing, when you finish, always be sure to do Command S or File Save your work. That way you're sure you don't lose anything that you've done. 2, 3.
This has been a Two Cat production.
Okay, sorry.